Hello everyone, AussieHippo here. Welcome back. Today is Saturday hour and you just finished your garden job. And when you back to the house, you will hear something like this.
饿啦，好饿啊！快去做饭，快点，快去做饭。
So what you gotta do is a quick, nice, delicious dishes to serve your family well. So in today's Down to Earth series, we're gonna represent you a superstar dish in Chinese cuisine history as it's easy to cook and well tasted. I tell you what, if there is one Chinese dish that could be recorded after the end of the world, these dishes will be in a strong candidate on the list. Let me introduce you the tomato and egg stir fry. Right, tomato is first introduced to China in 16th century and the dish is invented since then. As you may know, there is a huge difference cuisine culture between different provinces in China. Some like spicy food and some prefer fresh and light taste. However, for hundreds of years, no matter which part of China you're from, no matter what occupation you are, and no matter rich or poor, tomato egg stir fry is always on the table. If you ask people from China, I guarantee you that 99% of them have had these dishes before. It is the most common and easy to make dish in China, and also it's probably the first dish they learned. Definitely not sweet sour pork or honey chicken, by the way. Now let's start it. Because we are down to earth cuisine tutorial, so we have no any comments on our screen, but the detailed recipe will be listed in the description. What you need is simply some fresh tomato, some eggs, and spring onion is optional. Take the ripe tomato as is juicier. Dice them into similar size, remove the stem. Crack some eggs and beat them until smooth. As mentioned before, chop some spring onion as optional. Right, next step is heat your pan and add some oil in the pan. Please have a bit more than normal and it covers the bottom of the pan. Until you see the smoke keep coming from the pan, put all your eggs into the pan and slowly fry them to 80% of cooked status, like a bubble pancake. Take them out and add a little bit of fresh oil in the pan, and then you gotta pour all the tomato into it. Add about 1/3 of cup of water and cooking salt. This is a critical stage as the salt will release the juice from the tomato. Leave it for 1 or 2 minutes. After that, you gotta add some sugar to balance the sour taste. Now, just let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. You could see the tomato are softened and all the juice went out. Add our cooked egg into it and mix them well. Final step, just add the spring onion. Awesome! Now you have legendary tomato egg stir fry on the table to serve your family. Simply just mix them with rice and here we go. So the vitamin and the antioxidant ingredient in the tomato will make your skins much better, and the eggs provide well-balanced protein for your health. What we say? Happy wife, happy life. I'm AussieHippo. We see you next time and repeat with me. 番茄炒鸡蛋 Tomato egg stir fry.